What's the meaning of archaic? Archaic. Archaic.
Archaic. Archaic. Archaic refers to something that is ancient, outdated, or no longer used in modern times. It can refer to language, beliefs, customs, or objects from a bygone era. Archaic things are often associated with a sense of nostalgia or a romanticized view of the past. The term is also used to describe something that is primitive, unsophisticated, or lacking in modern conveniences or technology. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, many things become archaic quickly as new advancements replace old ones.